Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay if your side button is broken. First, navigate to your iPhone settings menu, then tap Accessibility. From there, select Touch and then turn on Assistive Touch. This helpful feature places a customizable virtual button directly on your screen. You can move this button anywhere you like, ensuring it is always within easy reach for your convenience. Now that Assistive Touch is enabled, you need to customize its menu to include Apple Pay. Tap on Customize top-level menu, then select one of the plus signs to add a new icon, or choose an existing icon to change its function. Scroll down and choose Apple Pay from the list of options. This ensures that a single tap on your virtual button can initiate the payment process, making transactions smooth. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply tap the Assistive Touch virtual button that is floating on your screen. This action will open a small menu displaying your customized options. Select the Apple Pay icon you just set up. Your iPhone will then prompt you to authenticate using Face ID or your passcode, just like normal. Hold your device near the contactless reader, and your secure payment will be processed immediately. Remember, using Assistive Touch does not compromise the security of your Apple Pay transactions. Your authentication, whether by Face ID or passcode, is still required for every purchase. Always keep your iPhone's software updated to the latest version for optimal security and performance. This method provides a reliable workaround, ensuring you can still enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay even with a broken side button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.